Yep, that's right, Daddy. The Larry Storch is coming over here for dinner.
Everybody's favorite corporal. Coming into my least favorite place. Finding the rewards of a righteous life.
He's the big fuss about this Corporal Egg Roll guy.
Corporal Egg Collar, you blasphemous heathen. See, you don't understand the genius of the man. CNF troop. When one of the idiots in his regiment would make him mad, he'd go walking over to him, like only he could walk, and give him a good whack on the head with his hat. You just don't see it anymore.
There's a lot of things I don't see anymore.
Especially if they're more than 100 feet from the couch. When's it coming?
Next Tuesday night.
Gadzooks. That's the same time as my Midnight Madness shoe sale.
Grab a shot, Eric Gunn and me. Thursdays on All Star Show. Outdoor Explosion. Check.
Every giant, every asshole has legs and keeps bottling.
You don't want me to go ahead. Don't miss All Star Shore. All new average year savings. Stay TVR to MTV.
Sometimes it takes a different approach to imagine your future differently. With Capella University's game-changing FlexPath format, take courses on your own terms and apply the skills you learn right away.
Gravity is fire for life. Times for life.
You've evolved. You've changed. So have we. That's why new Dove Body Wash now has 24-hour renewing micro moisture for continuous care. New Dove Body Wash. Change is beautiful.
Some people got for the best. They slow down. They get gas. Number one isn't a status earned overnight. It's earned in every wash, every earn, every day. Tide, America's number one detergent.
Stop waiting in line at drive-thrus just to place an order. Use the Domino's app on Apple CarPlay instead.
Okay, what should we get?
Carry out any large one-topping pizzas for $7.99 each when you use the Domino's app on Apple CarPlay.
Jordana, easy on the gas.
I gotta wrap this commercial. I think I'm late on my payment.
It's okay. The general gives you a break. Yeah, we let you pick your own due date. For a free low rate, go with the general.
Subway's now slicing their meats fresh. That's why Subway's preferred by this channel and its future channel. And if we prefer it, we know you'll prefer it too. It's copy for a 19-year-old.
My mom is 81 and she's having trouble walking, taking care of herself. There are expectations. You gotta kind of shut down your emotion and just do what needs to be done. I love my mom, but I need some help.